blizzardy Midland Park, it's the Mulligans. Good night. Well, good morning. Here we are, the day of the blizzard of '96. It's Monday morning, January 8th, Eileen's birthday. Happy birthday, Pooh. This is about where we left off last night. It's hard to see what the temperature is, but it's in the teens right now. And there's some of the snow you can see on the roof of the garage. We got a bundle. They told us between 2 and 3 feet, and that's about what we got. There you can see those stripes Nance was doing last night. Now they're about covered over. And you really can't see what we shoveled at all, because whatever that was is really covered over. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is go back outside, if you'll just bear with me, and do a little more shoveling. There, hi everybody. It's a little after 10 a.m. We got up early this morning. I parked Nancy's car at the bottom of the driveway, as I mentioned. I drove her to work. Boy, was that fun. It was a little treacherous. We dropped Nancy at the hospital and dropped Nick at daycare. I was thinking I'd go into work, but since I got back, the car's been stuck again at the base of the driveway. And my work's canceled anyway, because the boss called and said, don't even bother. So, I'll take you around, show you a little bit of what happened last night, and don't laugh at the hat, alright? It's warm. And you can see for yourself what a blizzard looks like. Well, here we are outside, and that's what we shoveled this morning. This walk we haven't shoveled yet, but I want to tell you, it's deep. Needless to say, all the schools in the area are closed. Most of the county is closed. Most businesses are shut down today. There's only emergency vehicles supposed to be on the road, and plows, of course. And here's Nancy's car, stuck where I left it. The New York Turnpike is closed. I'm telling you, man, it's a blizzard. Still snowing right now, but it's eased up quite a bit. They're saying we're still going to get another 8 inches or so today. And I just heard that another storm's behind us. We might get another foot on Wednesday. Isn't that great? So you can see somewhere under there are our front steps. So reporting to you live again and signing off right now from the blizzard of '96. Again, on Eileen's birthday. This is Uncle John. Well, here we are once again, still Monday, out in front right now, checking out this winter wonderland. There's Nancy's car, kind of dug out, as you can see. The plow has been here. We've dug it out a few times. There's a snowblower in action, a couple of them. Got to get myself one of those. Don't want to get run over. Yeah, gonna get me one of them next year. Uh-huh. Hi there. Now, there's a driveway across the street here somewhere. Yeah, right about there. That's our neighbor's driveway. He still has to dig out that snowbank. So you can see the main road's pretty much done. I got a guy coming here who might be in a position to plow out our driveway, so I'm going to move Nancy's car pretty soon. This is our sidewalk. Haven't gotten to that yet. But that's it there. It's buried under about 3-4 feet of snow. Well, gosh, it's sure been fun sharing all this with you. Here's our driveway. Brrr, still cold. Still snowing. Every time you shovel, you get another inch or two right behind you. Well, a little winter wonderland here in Midland Park, here in the whole Northeast. Behind that snowbank are Nick's windows there somewhere. I'll take you around to the back. Wait till you get a load of this. We'll see if we can fade out here. Looking at our front walk. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. As you can see, I haven't shoveled the back yet. Just up to the side door. The footprints. The abominable snowman. I put some bird food before in the bird feeder. Some of them have ventured into there. There's very little bird food, I'm sure, to be found on a day like this. We'll just take a few steps here. Right now this is going up well past my knee, up to my high knee. Are those stalagmites or stalagmites? I always forget. And there's our room up there somewhere. Well, once again, signing off from a very snowy Midland Park, Johnny Boy.
Well, I hope this is the last of this obnoxious video taping of this blizzard. We just thought we'd give you the final version. There's our driveway. There's our sidewalk that John's done such a good job on. And he's out there shoveling some more, the poor guy. Let's go find him. This is the view of our driveway entrance. There's my car. There's the driveway. There's the snow. John's doing the sidewalk. We'll try to find him. Now that we're homeowners, we're responsible for the sidewalk. There he is. Looks like a lot of fun, doesn't it?
It sure is. I'm sorry you're missing out on this.
Uh-oh, I think I'm going to get it. Now, John. He missed. There's the old house. There's our poor drive.
Oh, come on. It can't be that bad. I'm sure you like it. You gotta